Hello, everyone. Okay, let's get into it. Yeah, looks good. Let's open over. Where's any of my stuff? Projects. Is that the one? Yes. Let me just check a couple of things. Yes. Ugh. Let's see. Looking good. Ionic serve. And yeah, I'm not so sure about the approach that I've took before with the app. Although I really like the simplicity of Ionic. Oh man. I think we're just gonna stick with it for now. Regardless. I wanted to just work with it on Angular. Maybe just pure Angular and see where it goes from there. But I'm not so sure. Okay. First things first, what I actually wanted to do was create a new repository because I forgot to do that previously. So, new repository name, work. I don't know. We might gonna come up with some smart marketing later on with that about friendly pancake. No, friendly orc. Friendly work. Gork. Orc. Yeah, we're gonna make it public and gonna upload it as we go. Yeah. Or just push fetch. We're gonna do. Are you kidding me? That I forgot to install Git. It's very likely. Very, very likely. Oh, finished downloading. If anything goes, if I start lagging or anything, please let me know. Since now I'm streaming on two platforms, I'm not sure how my bandwidth is gonna keep it up. Okay. Yeah. No, I don't want Vim as my default editor. Also, music is, I don't know, haven't decided on what music I should be playing. Type of. Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many choices for the kit. Hmm. Yeah. Do we need to launch it? Sure. No. Trash. New one. Potion. What's this? Turn it off. Get. Get remote. Huh? Bash. There we go. It's not a good repository. How? But oh, maybe I haven't set up for it to actually get in it. Initialize empty git repository. Okay. Now git remote. Yes. I'm guessing this is going to rename it into main. What the hell? What? What? Should have just done this off screen. Remote already exists. Push origin, mask does not matter. Me. Okay. Okay. What? I can do SSH. Oh, I did HTTP. Whoa. Oh. Can I just set up these? Yeah, I did actually. I think I've encountered the same error at some point. It was just really frustrating. And it was. Oh yeah, git commit. Oh. Commit. Project push. Oh yeah, good. The code is testing me. Push -u origin custom. Am I missing it? No, I'm not. Okay, so committed, perfectly fine. And after adding it, master. Oh. Ah, of course. Ugh. So I'm using my own private GitHub right now. I've encountered a problem with because I created a new account on GitHub specifically for the projects on this channel. But then I thought, why I just don't group it up? Because just to create a general portfolio for everything. Did I include it? No, what does packages? Ignore. No, it's excluded. It is a lot. I have no idea. We'll see. Oh. Okay. What is the big thingy in our repo? Imagine. Oh my god. What is this? Label Webpack. Is it like a cached build? I've never seen it doing it like that. Okay, so then we just add it. Flash build. Looks better. Oh really? Git show dash stats. Oh no, it's doing it again. I'm not feeling the music. Yeah, I feel like I already know the problem because yes, but I'm initializing the repository, so I haven't actually pushed anything yet. So there's literally nothing in the repository, and I just added it. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just. Oh no, no worries. Absolutely, don't worry about it. Let me know about you guys. Who are you joining in here? What countries? What backgrounds? I'm really not feeling this music. Not digging it at all. But we had another one. Down tempo, lounge, hip hop, lo-fi. Let's. Oh, nice. So I'm based in Germany, Berlin, basically. I'm in C++, but I haven't found any good channels. Yeah, C++ kind of died out. I don't know. I haven't. I've seen a lot of front-end channels, but not a lot of back-end, or just general kind of lower level languages. Okay, so okay, I think sometimes you just need to like reset the git cache. So like git dot. Yeah, it should. That'll show them. Commit dash a dash m. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm also not working with Ionic on my day-to-day job. I'm working with just pure Angular. I think after this project, I'm gonna be spinning into like either React or some more exotic technologies. Something that is gonna be like really outside of my expertise. I'm not sure if I want to have any projects with the backend. If I'm gonna need it, I'm definitely gonna build it. It's not that hard to spin up a node server or even just Go. Yes, remove packages. Yes, one insertion, one deletion. Git push dash u origin name. Does it work? Compressing objects. Writing objects. Hopefully, doesn't look like it. What else is there? So git stats. Wait, what was the command? Git show stats. Oh, it could be. What's that? Oh, git show. Yeah, I do have 2 commits. I think if I should just scramble what I had before. I don't know, the whole change with the master to main, I think is just causing a lot more problems than I think normally if I just go with the master, it does never have any problem. Do git shows, that's head. Yeah. I think we're in local branches right now. Control Shift P, reload window. Maybe it's stuck with initializing the repository. Yeah, it was stuck. Okay. I'm not ready. Thinking. Undo last commit. And undo last commit. There we go. Now we can just check what we have overall. So none of this is particularly bad. Anything that we want to commit. So I'm guessing just git add dot because I'm guessing it just accepted all of the changes, and now since I did undid the commits, it's just untangled it. Git add, git commit dash a dash m. Initial commit. Push origin main. Yeah, there we go. Done and done. Oh, Control Shift P is not a command. Why does it tell me to initialize published branch? It's supposed to be already published, right? Yeah. There we go. It is in. So I'm guessing I might try to do a bit of on and off development off screen as well. I don't know. Sometimes I want to do gaming. Sometimes I want to develop. But I don't know. After a whole day of development, is not much of development wanting. Although no, I love development for the most part. Okay, so we have exercise name, distance, repetition, calories, time. We've last time implemented some of the forms. We have never really connected any of the forms, so I think we also wanted to think about the whole. Yes. Yes. I'm not sure what I should be doing. I do like playing games. I don't stream usually. I don't know why. I usually play non-competitive games, so it's a bit off. Although I'm guessing at some point it might be a pretty interesting way to go if I want to do some political content or just debating overall, either philosophy or politics. I love debates overall, just discussing stuff with people. I like discussing technology, but I don't think a lot of people want to go that far with it in discussion. Yeah. Okay, let's jump right into it. There's way too much stuff open. Close everything. Okay, source, apps, pages. We have our state. I love the separation of concerns. So we did a little bit of kind of separation. So we have our pages, we have our state. Our state basically dictates the global state of the whole application. It has it's going to be segmented into separate pieces like reducers and actions, and this is basically a reducer, although it says actions, and these are actions as well. Yeah, I think there's just like so many small details that I have to write down. So yeah, we have workout, just random tabs for now. We want to start by adding a workout list. So basically we add in the workout, write in the workout name. So for example, Monday. And then we have our add exercises. So lateral, pull down. I think later on this has to become a select. Because why not? Because why would you ever want to write in your own exercises unless this probably should be something to add in your own name for an exercise. If you come up with your custom exercises or something. Okay, and then we have our goal type. So I imagine each exercise is going to be like, I don't know, distance running. Like I could have Tuesday that is completely just running and no exercises. So I'm just going to choose a distance of one exercise. There's like 5 kilometers of running or 3 kilometers or whatever. And that's basically it's going to be like coolio. And we save our exercise if I had any. So I guess the question is, do I want to handle it in a local state? I mean, yeah, everything is going to be local because I think the main idea of this whole application is just having a workout app that is solely privacy-based. So everything is just your local data. You can export it at any time and probably use it either somewhere else as just statistics, or just import it in somewhere else to see more statistics or something like, I don't know, analysis, or just transfer it to another phone. Yeah, and I think that would be helpful, at least for me. I work out daily, and that's kind of my goal, to have this help me. So I could create a temporary service that's going to hold all of my exercises before I submit them into the state. Is that a good idea? Add exercise is a completely separate page, and it's going to return to add workout page. So add workout page should technically contain that service then. Or do I even need it? Because if it's just gonna be a container, like navigate forward, promise boolean. Yes, I do need service. Actually, yes, I do. Add workout dot service dot ts ng service. Add workout service. So we're gonna keep it root. So we want it to be always somewhere floating in the state. I don't think we're gonna need a constructor because it doesn't have any dependencies on its own. We're gonna have behavior subject. No, sorry. Workout list. This is going to be our new behavior subject. What kind of seniority do you have, guys? I don't know how to ask that question. We're just not gonna add it. It's gonna be an array. And there's gonna be a method add exercise. And exercise. So I think my headphones just disconnected. So I for sure gonna need some interfaces. Workout.ts export, interface, some size. There's going to be basically name versus a string. I'm feeling my prettier doesn't work. Semicolons, false, and tslint, semicolon, true but never. I think that's the idea. Expected semicolon, ESLint. Is it? Is it? Rules? Not so sure anymore. I haven't used ESLint yet. I think I'm gonna have to read up on that at a later time, probably tomorrow. Add exercise. Am I writing it correctly? No. Okay. We also have distance, which is optional. Number, we're just gonna be doing always something like meters, maybe. Calories. Number. We also had some other types. Repetitions. Reps. Which is also going to be optional. Number. And we also have sets. Number. And we also have time, which is also going to be a number, probably in seconds. And that is that. Add exercise, basically going to be this dot workout list dot next dot this dot nope workout list. I think it's a exercise exercise. It's supposed to be exercise list because we're listing exercises, and it is an array, so we need to return to the next an array that is value, and of course an exercise. That is that. I think we can just read the thing at any time, just like that. Normally, you can just create it as a private and probably read only because you don't want to modify it at a later time at all, at any time. I'm gonna have to seriously take a look at some of these settings. And then we also have another, if we actually privatize it, we have to give it an opening, which is going to be able to finish notation, this dot exercise list dot as observable. So this is going to be our exit point. Okay. Oh yeah. Gonna have to read up about that one as well. Yes, member ordering. Yeah, I imagine they want the private ones to be at the very bottom, but then at the same time, this is basically dependent on, no, this is dependent on this one, so they can't mix up. Yes, I don't need to import it since it's in root. That basically means it just imports it in module. That means if I submit this one, I can just in a constructor private read only workout service. Let's call it like that, and it's called, I think, add workout service. Then this dot service dot add exercise, yada yada yada. This dot exercise group dot value, and then we're done. Yeah, so this basically would give me, wait, we should check minutes and seconds. Do I actually set that? I think it should be just seconds, or maybe even like milliseconds, for whatever reason. Maybe we I think it should be in seconds, and then we're gonna convert it from minutes and hello. Okay. What is that? Okay. We're gonna do seconds. No, wait. We should do seconds as a final entry, but I think, yeah, so I wanna, let's just go all in. I don't think we need the UI for now. We don't have to think about it. We don't have to think about this one either. Let's just get right into it. So we have our workout and we have our, okay, so we have our type. So we probably want type as well, because it's just gonna make it a lot easier for us to handle later on, because we can just check the type instead of checking for every single property if they are existing there. Export type exercise goal equals, there's going to be distance, time, reps. I don't think we need more specification than that. Calories. Okay. Exercise goals. Goal. Then we have calories, distance, reps and sets, time, seconds. Let's just name seconds, and in here we're going to have minutes and seconds. And just before we submit, we're just going to be doing a little skedaddle, const seconds and minutes. Rest. Rest equals. So that's just going to basically separate the whole thing. And then basically the way we want to add is probably in here. Put it up, rest. And then we have seconds, which are defined by seconds plus minutes times 60. Of course, we can't do magic numbers, so we're just going to define it as second. Export cost seconds in minutes, 60. It's going to be a lot easier to read for later on. We're probably going to be using seconds and minutes calculations for a lot of things, so it just makes sense that we declare them instead of using it just like wildly left and right. Okay, so this is going to be doing the conversion and adding it to the list of exercises. On submission, we want the navigation to go back to probably pop. Now, in the workout page, probably with a private nav controller, something like that. Yeah, nav controller. This dot nav dot back. Let's get out of Skadoodle. We're now back in the noodle. Okay, so we have our module, we have our workouts, exercises, we have our no, this is just add exercise, and no, this is workout, this is exercise. We want also the HTML. So because now we can add also the private read-only. Yeah. Exercise. No. Workout service. It's basically add. I don't think I should have called it workout service. It should have been just workout service, like a helper service, because we just want to have the help to collect our exercises. And it does make sense to not over-encumber the state with these kind of tiny things. I think it's overkill to even consider that. Add workout. Add workout is fine. Workout service. Fine. This type does not have a value, so it cannot be used as an injection token. Add injector. I don't think so. Oh. Okay. Yes, add exercise. It sends us to the other page. So if we return, we actually should call it a public service, so we can just directly drop it in. Ion item previously added the exercise. Now we're gonna have it doing ng for loop for each exercise to basically display some basic information about it. Let exercise of workout service dot exercise list async. We don't need this one anymore. Depending if we have icons, this could be something like type of workout icon. I think we're gonna have to like find an actual icon library just for that, but I think for now it might make sense if we just display the type of exercise. So basically just exercise dot name would be sufficient, and then if we do something like ng container. No, actually, because we have types, we can do ng switch, which is an interesting. It's rarely used type of template directive. I don't know. I think it's called template directive. Exercise size dot it has a type. Oh, what? Exercise. Yeah. And then we basically have ng container, basically drawing us the ng switch case. So if it's a case time, then we're gonna basically have we're probably gonna have like seconds, and we're gonna display this, just drop it in as seconds for now. This one has to be closed. We're gonna write a directive later for that. Yeah. Okay, so we have distance. It's going to be in meters. We can also add a directive later for just conversion of all of those. We can also have later adding the preferences for like how do you want to display your, for example, the time or different units, and in terms of formatting. Distance and calories. Basically, we have just the last one, which is reps. And reps is just a lot easier because we just do like sets x exercise dot reps, which just makes sense. Yeah. I don't think I need to particularly look at how it looks right now, so we can just, I think, go on ahead and continue. So for each exercise, so we add like 5 or 7 exercises, and then we can just submit the exercise. So we have our name. Do we have our name? Yes, we have our name. We should probably add it in the form control. Control equals workout name control. It's that simple. Our module, common module, but we don't have forms module or reactive forms module, which means we're just going to be dropping in here and yeah, adding the form control. Give this new form control. And yeah, the new form control is just that simple. So add exercise, and now in here we just need submit, I guess. That's the last thing. So we have a ton of ion items, ion item, ion item, ion content, and ion button. Which is basically going to be just submit. I don't know if we're going to cover internationalization at some point. I don't even know if it's relevant, because for me, we might later on. There's not too much we're going to internationalize. We can even cover a bit more tougher cases later on. So yeah, I think we just go right ahead and try and submit this one. So add workout, so it's just the final step. And of course it's not there, submit workout. So add workout. For that we need our this dot workout name control dot value, because I think we're going to be submitting it to our state. Finally, we're going to use our state, which is going to be add workout list. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Private read only. We never want to use store outside of the components class, so we should never actually declare this as public. It just doesn't make sense. It opens up a lot of variables. Wait, I'm in the wrong one. Yes, here, drop it in, inject the store. Add workout. And we just do this dot store dot dispatch new exercise, add, new, add, workout page, add workout. Yeah, that looks good. So I think also now came the time where I have to add the interface for the workout, which is going to be a bit more simple. We're just going to name of the workout or day or whatever. I don't think we need types. Maybe later on we're gonna come up with some types for them. And then basically exercise sizes. God damn it. I still feel like I'm typing it wrong. Which is basically a list of exercises. I think that's sums it up. So we can just drop it in by saying the size is exercises. There's going to be this dot workout service dot. Now I also have to add a way of returning all of the exercises. Get exercises. This dot exercise list dot value. Okay. Now this dot get exercise list, get exercises, and then name this dot workout name control dot value. Done. We got the thing. Exercises any get exercises. Argument of type is not assignable to parameter of type workout. Object literal may only specify known properties and exercise does not exist on type workout. What? It is the same name, right? Okay. Where do I declare the workout? Oh, I declared it outside. Makes kind of sense. It's kind of urgent, I think. Yeah, so these ones need ID. What? Okay. Yeah, each exercise and workout should probably have an ID, so we have like a unique identifier. Yeah, ID is a must, as always. Type is a must. Seconds is optional. Exercises. Oh yeah. We also want to have weights. Forgot completely about it. Number. Yeah, we're gonna have to add that as well. Just delete it, add it in. I think it's just best if we keep it outside of like the general setup. I mean, like the interfaces and all. Yeah. Okay. Add workout. This one should get this one, and that would mean that should probably satisfy the conditions. Yeah, ID, name, exercises. Oh, we don't have the. So add workout technically should implement partial workout because it doesn't have an ID yet, of course. But there's no reason we can't give it an ID while we're at it, while creating it, because it's local, it's whatever. npm IEUUID. I don't even know how to use it. Well, I'm guessing it should be fairly easy. Interesting. As unit 4, so ID. Okay, so this is fine. Just delete it. So that basically adds in our adds in our workout and saves it. And so I think the only thing we need is an additional one for weight. It was new form control. I think weight, I think only makes sense with repetitions. Although time might also have it. I think I'm just gonna leave it in as like you can have it with whatever exercise. If it's not declared, then it's not there. Or we might add a checkbox later on. It's just wait. Wait. Number. Yada yada yada. Okay, that basically sums it up, right? So we add a workout. We could technically yeah, we also want to for sure add a selected workout list. So basically add workout, workout page, and then another one, item. But instead of this item, we're just going to do ing or equals add in our workout list. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's workout list async. and I label, yeah, so this one basically was just that. So we're gonna add, I'm basically just panning out the whole structure and everything how that's gonna be structured, not the looks yet. The looks we're gonna trinkle later, sprinkle on top. So workout, name, and yeah, that's gonna be interesting later because we're gonna have to also implement the editing. So which is gonna probably require us to just remake the add workout page into a type of edit or I think it's just the same, literally the same. So yeah, this is going to be like a workout, change workout or add workout page. I think let's just try it. Let's go into a bit of a better mode. Add workout. Workout name Monday. Add workout goal type. Distance 10, so 1,000 meters. Basically, this is going to be 1,000 meters, and 50 kilos. Oh, it doesn't work. Element with ng switch case attribute matching the ng switch case has to be inside of it. I think we're gonna also add in a little bit of other brain fog. Just brain fogged. Add exercise, add workout. Yes, it is in the add workout ng switch case. So I think what I want us to do is basically just wrap all of these inside. Maybe, maybe not. Distance 1,050. Yeah, just there. But it doesn't display it. Curious. I selected distance. Was it even implemented? Distance. We need a bracket here. I'm not so sure. Yeah, the next thing is definitely gonna be just weird. So it's definitely printing the name. I guess we can maybe try to inspect it a little bit. Ion button, ion item, ion input, ion content, add workout. Let's So this should tell us exercise list, observers array, one item, emit value. Okay, distance 1000. So it does pass in all of the things fine. Maybe it's just the switch case not working properly. Maybe I just haven't used it for so long that it might just blew my mind. Just it's not that hard, right? Ugh. Yep. Distance 1000. There we go. So yeah, if it's time, seconds, which is displayed in seconds, meters, cal, x, exercise dot rate. Yeah. So we for sure probably want to. So yeah, the two next things is basically adding a storage. So we basically never have to redo that part again. And then as well, just adding the editing option for our exercises. I think that's enough for today. We didn't plan to be it that long. Yeah, hopefully I'm gonna be just doing a bit shorter streams and more often. So yeah, probably gonna see you guys later, maybe tomorrow. And maybe we're gonna stream some gaming instead. Maybe we're gonna do 1 day coding, 1 day gaming. Absolutely no reason. And maybe we're gonna find some people to debate. Who knows? Okay, guys. Well, fun, I guess. Cool. Okay. Bye.